Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today is the Monday and first trading day of the week. Market was very challenging, but we managed very good profit. Let me share with you how I analyze in real time and help my traders to bank very good profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at here, last week we had amazing trade, guys. We have taken all this pullback and short. If you haven't seen my last week analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So at the market open, we were expecting price might going to break this one and then keep taking a long trade here. But as you can see here, price nicely respected. We came out of the break even. Afterwards, we have taken a breakout short trade here, and then we have taken a pullback. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. And if you look at the intraday analysis, as you can see here, at the market open, we were expecting the possibility of breakout, which price did. You can see here, price broken. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, you can see here, and explain to my trader, consider tightening stop loss, which we did, and which we technically came out at the break even. As soon as the price developed a false breakout, then I explained to my trader, look for these two levels, which I did analysis instantly because we monitor the price for intraday. As you can see here, as explained in analysis, look for this. If the price gonna break this level, then we see continuation. If the price gonna break, that's the trend support line. If the price gonna break, that's the aggressive breakout trade, and afterwards keep taking a pullback and keep monitoring this level. As you can see here, price broken, and afterwards we had two beautiful all pullback short trade because momentum was developed bearish. We had a bearish engulfing candle, and that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. And even at the New York session, I did this analysis, and after even in the New York session, this analysis was perfectly valid. You can see here, breakout after breakout, another pullback. So just before I close my session, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. We'll see tomorrow if the price gonna continue or not. We'll let you know. All right, let's dig into the pound dollar. We had amazing trade, guys. This at the market open, as you can see here, beautiful short trade here at the market because market price respected this resistance level. We had an open market, we had a short trade here, banked some profit. And afterwards, as you can see, a rejection, price nicely respected the support line. After this rejection, we also had a long trade here, keep taking a pullback. As soon as the price hit again to the previous high, and then we had a short trade here, and we have taken beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys intraday analysis, entries, and exit. Right, so if you look at the market open, this was the analysis I broadcast, as you can see here, and explain to my trader, more likely is going to be breakout short because if you look at here, we have inverted head and shoulder pattern. It's developed, price nicely broke on the previous low, and that was the beautiful breakout. As always, after the breakout, 1, 2 pullback. So as long as the momentum is bearish, we banked few PPs this morning, and afterwards I did also another analysis at the London Open. In the live analysis, explained to look for another breakout, which price nicely broken and pulled back. So as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Afterwards, you can see here price reverse, but as I said to you guys, we need to have a valid reason entry, as explained in the analysis, in a live analysis at the New York session. If the price gonna break this level, previous high, keep taking a breakout and pull back long trade here, which price nicely broken. As you can see here, beautiful pull breakout, long trade, long trade. As soon as the price respected here, we already have experienced previously head and shoulder pattern, and explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, guys. And let's see, as soon as we bank some profit, price reverse. You can see here, as soon as the price reverse, and then I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, we already have confirmation of head and shoulder pattern. Price was at the major resistance level, 100 EMA in 4 hour. Price at the major resistance level, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback. So as soon as the price hit this level, and then explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So amazing trade, guys. And dollar CAD, we were expecting a long, which we taken and came out of the break even. So if you look at the 4 hour chart, Price nicely respected and explained to my trader more likely price might gonna develop a false breakout and possibility of reversal, and then we keep taking a pullback. But we have taken this long trade here, which technically came out of the break even. We also had the short trade here, bank some profit. We also had a long trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Only few PPs, but we managed amazing profit, guys. Okay, so you can see here the market open at the even London morning session. Explain to matter, look for this breakout. We were excited that if the price is going to respect this support level, and then expecting a long trade here. Price broken, we take a long trade here. Explain to my trader, consider tightening your stop loss. And what happened? Price came back. Say, okay, no problem. So price developed a false breakout at this level, and I explained to my trader, look for this channel is developed. So we're not going to enter as long as the price is not going to break this structure. As you can see here, as soon as the price broken the previous low, as you can see here, and price develop a pullback, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now I think we can have a nice ride. So we already have this breakout, we have this confirmation with this support. Beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, was about to develop double bottom, explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see what's happened. If the price gonna break the previous low, we're gonna continue. And once we bank some profit, price develop a double bottom, then explain to my trader, looks like if the price is going to respect this level, we're going to have a pullback. If the price gonna break, aggressive trade breakout, because looks like the price is developing it a false breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, as you can see here, resistance level, that's what I explained to trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So look for another pullback at this level. We'll see tomorrow if we get the pullback along or not. Anyhow, guys, you can see here how we analyze market in 4 hour and how we refine entries and exit in intraday and bank peeping every single day. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. The most interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses and banking profit in real time. And even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where we train people with the live market through live intraday analysis in real time, through live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, we can also help you to get funded from top firms. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader in the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are an experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.